In this video, I'll show you how to install mods on GTA 5. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get started. First, you need to download a mod you'd like to use. I'm using a mod called ScriptHook as an example. You can find it by searching online and clicking the download button. If you're looking for other mods, you can visit the website gta5-mods.com, where you'll find categories like player mods, vehicles, and more. Just choose any mod, click on the download button, and follow the same installation steps I'm about to explain. Once downloaded, open the file either from your browser or by going to your downloads folder using File Explorer. After opening the folder, you'll usually see a README file that explains how the mod works. Now go into the bin folder inside the ScriptHook mod folder, select the three files and copy them. Then, find your GTA 5 installation folder. For example, mine is located under local disk Epic Games GTA V, and paste the copied files there. If you download other mods from the mod website, follow this same process. Now, once you launch GTA 5 in single player mode, you should see the mod in action. For example, ScriptHook activates by pressing the F4 key, and make sure numlock is enabled to navigate the menu. Keep in mind that mods are only allowed in single player. Using them in online mode can result in a ban. That's all for now. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.